Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my Christmas special, the 12 days of Christmas with the Holly Dozen, I just hit myself in the face, LimeLife makeup advent calendar, because who doesn't love an awesome advent calendar, especially when it's filled with makeup. So what I am going to be sharing with you guys is we are going to be unboxing this beautiful makeup advent calendar one day at a time. They will be short little videos every day for 12 days with a bonus video at the end. I'm going to share with you guys about each of the products that we open, and then I'm going to share my little tip that I have for you guys for each product, and then at the end of the video I will share with you guys what enduring lip color that I am wearing, because I'm going to be wearing a different color every day for all 12 days, and then at the end of that 12 days we are going to open up my little bag and see what's in my little LimeLife Santa bag. So if you guys are interested in seeing what comes in this box, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. So let's open this bad boy up. If you guys did not see yesterday's video, I will link it right here so you guys can click that and watch it after this video, or you can pause this video, watch it first, and come back to this one. Okay, so we are on day 2. So yesterday we opened this window, and today we will open this one. So what comes in this one is the cutest little brow gel. Oh my gosh, it's like brow gel for Barbie. Okay, so brow gels, if you guys have never used a brow gel before, I will tell you guys what it says on the website, and then I will tell you guys my little tips for brow gel, and then I'll tell you guys about my lip color. So it says, create brows that are rich in volume and color with our Strike Rich Brow Gel. Our tinted brow gel is rich in pigment and plant-based fibers to add volume and fill in sparse areas of the brow. The water-resistant formula keeps colors and fibers locked on to tame, define, and hold the shape of your brow. Okay, so this one that you guys will be getting in your Holly Dozen advent calendar is the clear gel. So what's awesome about the clear gel is that if you guys have brows that are kind of like all over the place, the clear gel goes with any hair color at all. So you just use it, you put on your brows however you want, or if you don't have to fill in your brows and you are born with like amazing natural brows, then all you do is open it up and just spoolie it onto your brows, and it'll dry and hold those bad boys in place. So then my little tip is, if you do decide that you love a brow gel and you want to go up to, here's the baby gel and the mama gel. If you get a tinted gel, so they come in light for platinum to light blonde, medium for golden blonde to medium brown, and then they have dark for dark brown to black. I use medium. So what's awesome about it is you can fill in your brows with the powder, and then you can go in with the brow gel and you can tint your brows. And so what that does is like darken up individual hairs, so it makes your fill job look more like hairs, like individual hairs, because that's very trendy right now to have more natural looking brows. So you'll be able to really see those hairs at the beginning of the brow, and that's what I really like. And then also, if you are a super busy woman and you don't have time to be doing like the Instagram brow every day, this, because it's tinted, you can just whip that on and you will have eyebrows in like 5 seconds, and it's super awesome for very quick brows when you're super busy. If you guys have not seen my busy mom woman hacks video, I will link that right here, because you guys should definitely check that out, because that has been my go-to makeup lately, and I've just been loving it, and I'm obsessed with these brow gels because they are, I'm not even joking, the best brow gels that I have tried so far of all the different brands. So yeah, that was day 2 of opening our little advent calendar. So next, the reveal of the lipstick. So what I am wearing today is our enduring lip color, and if you guys are not familiar, this is the liquid lipstick from LimeLife. I am wearing the color Ruby Chocolate, and this is one of my favorite colors. It's great for every day. It just gives you a little bit more of a punch of color, but it's not too dark. So this is really good for anyone who kind of likes their nudes or doesn't really doesn't really like a bunch of color but wants to try something different, this is a really, really pretty color. And if you guys have never used a matte, all of these lipsticks they go on and they kind of feel velvety and then they dry, so they don't go on your teeth and they feel very matte. So if you do have dry lips, my tip to you is to exfoliate and hydrate your lips at night with some sort of a scrub, and then put on your liquid lipstick in the morning. These are by far my favorite form of lipstick. I love them so much. And they are not drying, but they are matte. So matte will sometimes accentuate dry lips if you do have them, but as long as you keep care of your lips and do, like I said, exfoliate, you will love these so much. So Ruby Chocolate, you guys definitely have to go to my website and check it out. I will link everything down in the description box below that we talked about, including the Holly Dozen calendar and where you can get it for Christmas. So I hope you guys really liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you guys are excited to see what lip color that I'm going to be wearing tomorrow and what's going to be in the window of the Holly Dozen Advent calendar tomorrow, click that subscribe button along with the bell, and then you guys will be notified because I am uploading every day for the next 13 days. So I will see you guys in the next one. See ya!